Hey G Squad, welcome back to Soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm seeing the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features on here. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's basically what it looks like inside. So let's take everything out. So right here they probably got the cardboard, the brand logo on it. And right into that, and see they do probably got the user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And it looks like there is something else inside, so let's take it out. So inside they do probably got like 2 scraper option, and they also probably got like 2 screws. And next to right here, they probably got the charging cable that you can use to recharge the product. And right into that, you see there's a lot of stuff, so take it all out. So right here we do have the handle option. Here they probably got the hook option. And then right here we do have the product, so let's take it out. So once you guys take off all the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So on top right here we do have the brand logo. And then this slide right here and right here is where you guys want to set the handle. So I mentioned right here is the handle, so let's set it up. So all you need to do is just push it in. And once you guys put it in, you basically want to use a screw to screw it in. So that is basically where these 2 screws come in handy. So set it up. Alright, same thing for other side. Alright, so once you guys screw it on, if you guys use the handle, you can see it's actually pretty strong. And for the handle, you do have the option to move it forward and backward like this. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to hook it up when you guys do use a hook. So just like that. And for the overall product, they do mention how it's actually pretty lightweight. It definitely has a little bit of weight on here, so it is pretty heavy. I do want to mention for the hook option, they only give you guys the hook. They don't give you guys the pole. So if you guys don't have the pole, you do need to purchase that separately. And then throughout the side, you can see we do have the clip option. So one right here, one right here, one right here, and one on the other side. So there should be a total of 4 of them. And then once you guys unclip it, you can take out the trash that's inside. So I will show you guys what it looks like in a second. So you can see on the bottom, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they do have 4 wheels for the product to move around when you guys do put it into your pool. I'm assuming right here and right here is the vacuum option. So it'll suck up all the leaf and everything when you guys do set it up. But right here in the bottom, we do have the power button for it to turn it off and on. And right here is basically where you plug in the cable to recharge it. And that is basically everything that's on the bottom. Now let's open the top part to show you guys what the inside looks like. So like I mentioned, you basically want to open up all the clips inside. And then once you guys do that, if you guys take it out, here is basically what the top part looks like for the inside. And then here is the bottom. So I'm assuming for this part right here is the filter. So let's take it out. Here is what this part looks like. And once you guys take out the filter, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So when you guys start using the product to vacuum like all like the leaf or dirt or whatever inside your pool, it will come inside right here. And you can basically use like a hose or something to hold it down. Same thing for this part if you guys do need to clean it as well. And if you guys notice, once we take this part out, there's no charging output or anything on here. So if you guys do need to hold it down, it is fine. As long as you guys are not using the product while it's charging, then you should be fine. So it's definitely really cool how the product not only help you guys vacuum your pool and clean it, but they also give you guys the filter option to filter like the water as well. In terms of the battery life that's on here, they mention on one full charge can give you guys around 15 minutes of usage. And the time that it takes to fully charge it is around 3 to 4 hours. And if you guys are curious about what the max water depth for the product, it's around like 8 feet or so. So as long as the pool is not over 8 feet, then it should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just go test this out to show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. When you guys try to move it around, if you can see the wheel option on the bottom definitely does work. But what I'm doing right now is to plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So you flip it around. You basically want to plug in the cable onto the bottom right here to recharge it. So right now for the charger option, you can see we do have a green indicator light to show you guys that it's fully charged. But once you guys do plug it in, you can see it turns red. So the product is not fully charged yet. But once it is fully charged, it will turn green, just like what you guys saw earlier. And obviously when you guys are charging the product, it will not turn on. Now let me put this down on the ground and turn it on to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys would use it. And there's also one thing that I forgot to do, and that is basically to apply the scraper option on. So let's set it up to show you guys how to actually put it on. So the way how you guys install it is actually very easy. All you need to do is just take this out and just push it in just like this. And there should be a hole for you guys to lock it inside. So right there. Same thing for the bottom part right here as well. Alright, so we got it all set up. Let me actually bring this over to the bathtub to test it out to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so I got my bathtub right here and we're just filling the water on here first so that we can do the test to show you guys when it actually works. So the water I want to make sure is high enough for the actual product to fit in so that way it's fully submerged. Alright, so I think that should be good. Let's test it out to see what actually works. So first thing I'm going to do is turn on the product in the bottom. Alright, so once you guys hear that beep, then that means it's on. So I put it in. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. So pretty much what's happening right now is the fact that it's flowing water to one side and it's flowing the other side. So that we can move from one side to the other. Obviously when you guys put it into a pool, it'll be much deeper. And like I mentioned, once you guys are done using it, we do have the option to raise it up. And once you guys drain out all the water, then you have to take it out from the pool. Very easy and very simple. But once you guys do take out from the water or your pool or whatever, you can hear that beeping option. But once you guys do put it back inside, it starts working again. So obviously because my bathtub is clean, there's nothing for it to do. But I just want to show you guys a quick little test to show you guys what the product looks like in terms of how to use it. You can see very easy and very simple to actually use it. Welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test. The product definitely actually does work. It actually works quite well. So because I don't have access to a pool right now, that is why I show you guys in my bathtub to show you guys a quick little test. In the future, I'll do like an update video to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it in the pool. But I can see from the test when you guys do use it, it actually works pretty well. It's actually really easy for you to use it. I do love the fact that how the product has like a self-parking technology. So that way it actually parks itself once the cycle is clean or when the battery is low. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality cordless pool cleaner that you use to clean your pool, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.